guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another study vlog. So right now it's 7 p.m. and my day wasn't really productive, so I decided to do a night study session. Okay, so first of all, I decided to take my class of biology, and I was also writing notes side by side. The chapter was of control and coordination. Now, after completing my biology class, I started watching my English lecture because I have to complete my backlogs. So yeah, मैं अपनी अभी English grammar कर रही थी and sir was explaining so nicely. I was able to answer all the questions related to the topic, though I didn't do all the questions right because I still haven't practiced. After listening to music and after break, I decided to complete my another lecture of English in which I was studying about past tenses, and I didn't completed the whole lecture because I was really tired at the moment, so I decided not to watch it furthermore.